Hello, welcome to Edubbey dynamic page. Today, let us look at cold storage, safeguarding cryptocurrency assets offline. 1. Introduction. Cold storage is a method used to store cryptocurrency assets securely offline, away from internet-connected devices. It provides an added layer of protection against online threats such as hacking, malware, and phishing attacks, making it a preferred choice for long-term storage of digital assets. 2. How cold storage works. Offline storage. Cold storage involves storing private keys, which are required to access and manage cryptocurrency holdings, on physical media such as hardware wallets, paper wallets, or offline devices. Air-gapped environment. Cold storage devices are typically kept in an air-gapped environment, disconnected from the internet and other network devices, reducing the risk of unauthorized access or remote attacks. Physical security measures. Cold storage solutions often incorporate physical security measures such as encryption, tamper-resistant seals, and multi-factor authentication to protect against physical theft or tampering. 3. Types of cold storage. Hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices specifically designed for storing cryptocurrency private keys offline. They offer high levels of security and ease of use, with features such as PIN protection, encryption, and backup and recovery options. Paper wallets. Paper wallets involve printing out private keys or seed phrases on paper and storing them in a safe and secure location. While simple and cost-effective, paper wallets require careful handling to prevent loss or damage. Offline devices. Offline devices such as USB drives or dedicated computers can be used for cold storage by storing private keys in encrypted files or wallets that are not connected to the internet. 4. Advantages of cold storage. Enhanced security. Cold storage provides robust protection against online threats such as hacking, phishing, and malware attacks, as private keys are stored offline and out of reach of potential attackers. Control and ownership. Cold storage gives users full control and ownership of their cryptocurrency assets, as they are not reliant on third-party custodians or service providers to safeguard their funds. Long-term storage. Cold storage is ideal for long-term storage of cryptocurrency holdings, offering peace of mind knowing that assets are safely stored offline for extended periods. 5. Conclusion. Cold storage is a vital component of cryptocurrency security, offering a reliable and effective way to protect digital assets from online threats and unauthorized access. By following best practices and implementing robust security measures, users can safely store their cryptocurrency holdings offline for long-term preservation and peace of mind.